Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If it's your first video, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, we are now on our way to a black tie event. Woo! Jeez. In this weather. Guys, it's so cold and that's just weird. But anyways, it's a Black History Month event and we have been asked to participate in the panel discussion. As it relates to...
I don't know why they asked me, but I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous? So now we're on our way to the event, guys. We're gonna just be heading out now. We really don't know what to expect, but we're just gonna go there and represent. You know the steps. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Smash a like on the video and see you guys on the road.
It's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know.
Guys, one of the things that I miss most about Jamaica is the convenience of having somebody else pump your gas for you. Here, you have to do it yourself. You have to do it yourself, guys, no matter the weather. You have to out and about. Show you guys what I'm going. Just buying. This is not my usual gas station, so I'm just gonna be buying like $30 gas right here. This usually give me a little bit less than half tank of gas, which is okay. Alright, pop in your pin. Perfect. Ooh, the wind chill. Whoa. Transaction approved. Take that out. PC, yes.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
Guys, I'm not lie when I tell us outside I freeze. Remove the nozzle, pop it in, cheap it out to that 87. Back into the car while it's done. Now I'm sit down and wait. Guys, that wind chill outside, man. That wind chill outside.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here shine again. Taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts.
Black History Month inspired cup.
Okay, now to kick off our show, we invite to the stage Dr. Greenwood Duncan, a member of the Black History Month Planning Committee, who will share the knowledge of Black history and the significance of the colors in Black History Month.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and treasured members of the community, as we gather this evening to celebrate Black History Month, a month of remembrance, reflection, and celebration, it is essential to understand the significance and the colors that symbolize this profound occasion. Black History Month is a time dedicated to honor the achievements, struggles, and contributions of Black individuals throughout history. The colors associated with this celebration hold deep meaning and serves as a reminder of the past, present, and future of Black experience. First, let us acknowledge the color Black. Black is not merely a shade. It embodies resilience, strength, and the profound depth of the Black experience. The color Black is often associated with strength, power, and perseverance. And it serves as a tribute to our rich heritage. It represents the countless individuals who have faced adversities, discrimination, and oppression with unwavering courage and determination. It reminds us of the struggles endured and the triumphs achieved in the ongoing journey towards equality and justice. Next, we acknowledge the color red. It reminds us of the contribution made by countless individuals who dared to dream of a better world and took a stand against oppression. Red symbolizes the bloodshed that was made and sacrifices by a generation of Black men and women in the pursuit of freedom and equality. It represents the grit, perseverance of those who have fought against injustice, discrimination, and systemic racism.
Is its people, and the diversity of our people, their backgrounds, their experiences, and their ambitions is what keeps the energy and the momentum of our city and our region going. Recognizing the achievements and contributions of Black Canadians to the cultural, economic, social, scientific, and political landscape, nationally and locally, is key to building a community that is grander together, where inspiration and opportunity for future generations is equally grander. It's also a significant priority of City Council to help build an inclusive, caring community. That is one of our main 4 pillars for the 2022-2025 strategic plan, with a focus on multiculturalism and acknowledging the full spectrum of cultural diversity within our residents. We're proud to demonstrate this through the historical joint proclamation of Black History Month we did with the County Grande Prairie, Reed Marshall, and myself earlier in February to kick off the month-long celebrations. We're also exceptionally proud of these celebrations and how they demonstrate trailblazing and energetic and resourceful spirit of our people. This year's Black History Month was made possible through the hard work, commitment, and passion of the Grande Prairie Cultural Association and the Black History Month Committee.
Please rise for our national anthem. Okay, I'm going to do my best jazz version of this. This particular tune doesn't swing from a rope, so it's really hard to do anything with it, and I've been struggling with it. So anyway, just bear with me.
wonderful local bloggers, Lamar and Natasha Anderson. And next we have Jay Lee with us from the Odyssey House Public Education. She's the Odyssey House Public Educator Coordinator. And finally, we have Todd Johnson, real estate entrepreneur.
And Kobe and I are going to be the moderators of this panel conversation. I did move away for about 6 years to go play volleyball and go to college. I have a degree now. And I came back because my family is here, and I decided that I wanted to build into the community in Grande Prairie. So that's why I'm here.
So I'm originally from Jamaica, and we decided to travel here to live here in 2019. And the reason for being here is because I was sibling that was already here for 10 years, and it seemed like a safe place to come and reside. We're now living here, and yes, just like to see that we wanted to leave the first year that we got here. So yes, and we're still here after almost 5 years, and we think that it's going to be here for much longer.
Or this is how it's been my Black History Month.
That's actually a very fantastic question. So in Jamaica, we grew observing February Black History Month. It's something that is embedded in us from a tender age. But we didn't really know the significance of Black History Month before coming to Canada. When we moved to Canada was when we realized that Black people were actually considered a minority in certain places in the world, because back in Jamaica we were the majority. So when we came here, it was a bit of adaptation for us. And being here, events like this is very, very important because it gives us an opportunity to not only spread the importance of the message, but to also educate persons of the history of Black people. Because I believe that through education, everyone can then identify, and that's what we have through diversity. That's what I think.
People, this is when you come to a nice event and you ask to container.
Growing up in a remote area,
Yes.
good
Good food.
No home training. No home training.
And this is taste of the tropics, people. If you're in Grande Prairie, taste of the tropics.
Which meant my fingers were too.
See, I fix it.
We needed
Nice.
every single last drop to see ourselves through the winter. So you
That's
did
it.
it. Sometime later, in the heat of summer, I was ready to hate our tractor. Dust filled the cabin, causing my
Cantina. Taste of the tropics, people. Thank you. We're not changing our ways.
But it was essential we had that day to lead our lifestyle, even amidst the discomfort and hardship. Our resilience in the face of adversity defined my childhood. It taught me to die in hard work, but it also taught me to love. It's why Rapper was invited here to celebrate Black history. I hold firm to the belief that together we can overcome. With a deep-seated love for our community, I'm confident we can create a brighter future for ourselves, our families, and each other. And I get it. All right, keep it going for Zach. And thank you for saying that my Angela phone. She was a great poet and an activist. So due to COVID restrictions for people meeting in person in 2020, the Black History Month Celebration Committee had to get creative in sharing the message of hope. They accomplished this through the voice of the youth.